Hello student, this is Tushar and welcome to Genius Print. Today again I came here to inform you about this BBM examination 2021. First of all, I am extremely sorry because I have committed you to upload some more video about these examinations, but due to lack of comments, maximum of you have not commented video for this online live classes. Yes, some of the students also commented that sir we want live classes, but I already told you that for that particular students it is very tough for us to take these classes, that means online classes. So if this number of student increase, that means group is increased, then now also saying that I will take this live classes, but due to this lack of comment actually it was not possible for us to take these live classes. Okay, so by the way, we have to take this so today in this video I am going to actually tell you some of the important strategy that you have to keep in mind while giving these examinations. Actually this is 29th of November, but in our actually internet problems, which is basically now due to this lack of internet, I am sure this video will not upload today, so we have to upload this video tomorrow. But those who will actually give these examinations tomorrow, I am sure will not able to see this video before this examinations, but those who will give these exams beyond tomorrow, that they can actually see this video for their strategical plan. Okay, so and those who actually that means after giving these examinations also if you want to see this, then also you can see, because this kind of strategy can also help you to boost your knowledge for other examinations also. Okay, so tomorrow is 30th of November. According to this informations, from tomorrow our BBM examinations will be start, and they will finish these examinations I think it is 5th of December. Okay, so in between this time they will actually complete this examinations. So in between these times you have to regularly visit their website when your exams will start. Okay, so I am also again saying that I am extremely sorry for not taking these live classes, but I am also trying now. Please make your group for a particular school also. Suppose you are a student of XYZ, you are a student of XYZ. If you want to make this group from your schools, take at least 10 to 15 or 20 students and make this group. I am sure I will take all these classes, basically math and science, free of cost. Okay, so this is for your information. I am also actually saying this. Okay, so one thing that you have to keep in mind, that number one, first of all you have to score all these questions which are known to you. That means suppose there is 100 questions. Among these 100 questions you have to go through within 5 minutes all these questions without answering. Okay, so if it is possible, this is one kind of strategy, and out of this 100 questions, suppose you know 40 questions, then mark these 40 questions without wasting time. Okay, but another thing is that if there is previous year there was a time slot, that is after that particular scoring these questions they will shift it, and then you are not able to come back on the previous stage. Suppose it's a science and math, okay, and another suppose it's a reasoning, and there suppose it is a biography. If you shift from science to reasoning, then you will not turn back to science. Okay, so you have to keep in mind this. If this instructions is given also, that means we will give this in this year also, make sure that if this information is given or not. Okay, after knowing it, then you can start. Okay, so if you are not able to shifting either backwardly, okay, then you have to clear these sections and these sections in unidirectional order. Okay, that means you have to complete this section which is first of all, and then second, and then third. Okay, so because you have to you are not able to actually previous questions. Okay, from this last question to previous questions you are not able to actually come back. If it is possible, then skip some questions, and if it is not possible, then don't skip. You have to answer on your maximum. Okay, but on that groups you are able to make, suppose there is inside group, suppose there is 20 questions. These questions, suppose 20 questions, you can go forward and come back also. Okay, so you have to score maximum on these 20 questions by taking a minimum of time, and after completing this, suppose out of these 20 questions you are able to know 15 questions, then answer these 15 questions first of all and leave these 5 questions, and before removing this section you should answer the remaining 5 questions also, if you know on your strategical plan or methodology. Okay, so by this process, that means after completing these sections you have to go to this next, and then you have to go to this next. Okay, so you have to keep in mind these two things: how many questions you are answering and how much times you are taking for solving this session. You have to score session by session, that means science and math session, suppose it's a part, reasoning part, biography part, and another is whatever part is given there. So after completing each session you have to shift another sessions, and if it is possible to come back, I am sure it is not possible, and if it is possible then you can leave some questions, and after finalizing these exams you can also go through it. Okay, so but don't leave any questions. If you know, you have to complete answers. Okay, and see, another thing is that there is negative marks or not. If there is negative marks, then answer these questions very carefully, and if it is not, negative marking is there, then answer all these questions you know or you don't know. Okay, this is actually the methodology you have to keep in mind in examinations. Okay, so after giving these examinations, please write in the comment section that how many questions you have attempted, and what was your exam and what was the level of these questions. Okay, so we will take another video for analysis this question paper. Okay, so stay with us and enjoy these sessions and also our upcoming videos also. Okay, so I will not take actually much more time. Today you have to fresh your mind and go for your examinations. Okay, tomorrow. So this is our actually today's class. You have to finish it now. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and share this video with your friends so that they can also get this informations from us. Okay, so thank you.